Hello everyone, so if you want to take a screenshot on your Realme C67 using various different methods and plus the bonus, I'll explain you how to capture a long screenshot. So let's start. Let's start from a classic one, so to say. For doing this, we have to locate your power button. It's right on the right side of our phone, and our volume down button. So if you're gonna press them simultaneously, as you see, the screenshot is going to be made. The next way to make a screenshot is through your 3-finger swipe down method. So grab your 3 fingers, now swipe down, and as you see, the screenshot was made. It may not work from the first time because you have to understand how to do it correctly. So simply repeat the step and eventually you will figure it out. Alright, now let's talk about a scrolling screenshot option. So to make it, we have to open any tab which is long enough for our scrolling screenshot to happen. So now take a screenshot with any means possible, for example, with our buttons. And as you see, we got our capture more options. Tap on it, now tap on the image. And as you see here, now we can choose what do we wanna capture. So choose this area. When you're satisfied with it, of course you can edit it, you can immediately share it. However, if you want just to save it on your phone, at the top left corner, you're to press save. And basically that's it. Now, where do you find all of your screenshots? So you can find them directly in your gallery. Open up your Google Photos. Here they are. And now you gotta press collections, your screenshots option, and here are all of your screenshots. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.